probably one would think affects the depreciation of the shilling that has been on for long, particularly talking about the Ugandan economy.
Sorry, did you say the depreciation of the shilling? Are you sure about that? I thought our currency has been very stable. Inflation has been stable. Just only that in the month of January, Headline inflation went up to about 3.9, if I'm not mistaken, and core up to 4.2. And we think that into 2025, inflation is going to be anywhere between 4 to 5%. And this is consistent with the growth target that we are looking at in the medium term of 6 to 7%. Because certainly if you are going to have higher growth, you need a little bit of inflation to support that growth. We have been having 3%, 3 to 3.8%. Growth was trending below 6%. But our medium term objective is 6 to 7%. So we are kind of like allowing inflation to ease up consistent with that growth. Remember, the government objective for inflation is 5%. So we're gradually moving towards the 5%, which is what we think will sustain growth and forward. Yeah.
Parliament, and of course the concern for everybody is the stability of the macroeconomy and also the soundness of the financial sector, and we are able to explain the fundamentals that underpin an economy that is performing. And of course Parliament was interested in knowing what are those factors that will make this economy stable and also grow. And we were able to explain the factors, for example, that create date. The Parliament was concerned about date. The Parliament was concerned about inflation. Our inflation, as the governor has said, is not bad. Uganda is one of the countries out of the 193 countries that we have, which have really worked very hard on controlling inflation. And this has been enabled by very, very strong stance, very, very strong inflation stance. We have made sure that the central bank has made sure that they can implement monetary policy, which people may not be very much happy about, but eventually people have realized that you cannot have an economy where inflation is soaring in the roof, because nobody will have money that has meaning. But we pointed out that we still have problems of low financial depth. The saving rate here is low. Our saving GDP is low. The economy is a low-wage economy. The economic activity requires very high velocity of money. Money must move very quickly from one person to the other. It is one which facilitates economic activity. So we told the Parliament that we need to work together with the Parliament and all other stakeholders to ensure that the central bank can implement policies, especially the monetary ones. The fiscal ones are part of government.